Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, on this driver's door panel, we're going to start by pulling this piece off. Just grab a trim tool, get underneath here, and pry it out a little bit, and then it comes off towards the back. A couple little clips that got stuck in there. Those little clips, we're going to transfer them back over to here when we go to reinstall it. Right, we want to disconnect this mirror switch. The easiest way to do it is to pop this through. Just push it through that way, pull it through, and then there's a little tab right there on the connector. We'll just use a little screwdriver, push on that tab. So we can get underneath the tab right there. Just disconnect it that way. And we can pull this trim off. All right, so we're gonna slide wiring harness through here first. I'm gonna line this clip up with the door. One clip I left in the plastic trim piece, one clip I left in the door. Slide it on there and then push it that way. We can take this and connect this connector. We'll line the tab up, lock that in. Want this to go in like this. And lock that in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.